Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to have multiple lines with different width. So we see that we're having multiple lines being plotted here in our line plot. And we see that the colors are different and the width are different. We're going to review how we can do that. So for customization here, we're having the common x values for all lines. Then we are having different y values for different lines. For example, this one is for line 1, line 2, and line 3. Then we are having the plotting function. So we are using the plot function to plot our 3 lines. So here we are plotting our lines. We are having the x values, which is common among all of them. We are having different y values. Okay. Then we are having the markers that are different, O, S, and triangle. Then we are having different line style, and we see it here. This one, for example, is solid blue, dashed red, and dotted green. So we see that they are also different. Then we are having the line width. One of them, so the blue one is having the width 2, the red one having the width 3, and the green one having the width 4. So blue, red, and green, different line width as well. Then finally we are labeling them here. After that, we are having the x-axis label, y-axis label, and also the title of the plot, which is here, multiple lines with different width and colors. And for better visualization, we simply use the grid function. We are having the gray lines here. We are using the legend function to have our legend here. And to display our plot, we use the show function. Thank you for watching.